वेदशास्त्र प्रमाण श्रुतीचे वचन, एक नारायण सारचप, एक नारायण सारचप, एक नारायण सारचप. जप तप कर्म हरी विण धर्म, वाऊगाची श्रम व्यर्थ जाय, वाऊगाची श्रम व्यर्थ जाय, वाऊगाची श्रम व्यर्थ जाय. हरिपाठी गेले ते निवांत जिठेले, भ्रमर गुंतले सुमन कळिके, भ्रमर गुंतले सुमन कळिके, भ्रमर गुंतले सुमन कळिके. ज्ञानदेवी मंत्र हरिनामाचे शस्त्र, ज्ञानदेवी मंत्र हरिनामाचे शस्त्र, ज्ञानदेवी मंत्र हरिनामाचे शस्त्र. यमे कुळ गोत्र वर्जियेले, यमे कुळ गोत्र वर्जियेले, यमे कुळ गोत्र वर्जियेले.
In the first stanza of this Abhang, Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says, the essence of all the Vedas, Shastras, Puranas and Shrutis is one, Narayana or Shri Hari, and that is chanting his name. Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj further says that chanting, penance, following one's own dharma and other deeds are futile without devotion to Shri Hari. Engaging in these practices without chanting Sri Hari's name is like wasting one's efforts. Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj explains the concept using an analogy, such as a bee gets trapped in the petals of lotus flower while savoring its nectar and cannot escape. Similarly, a seeker who is engaged in chanting Sri Hari's name becomes one with him and does not return to the worldly cycle. In the final stanza of this Abhang, Sri Jnaneshwar Maharaj says that the mantra of Sri Hari's name is like a weapon for him, and its power is such that even Yama, the god of death, dare not cast a glance at his family's lineage. Therefore, chant Sri Hari's name all the time. Hari mukhe mhana, Hari mukhe mhana, punyachi ganana kona kari. Hari mukhe mhana, 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 punyachi ganana kona kari, punyachi ganana kona kari, punyachi